Welcome to BEC Integrated Solutions. Today we're exploring area of refuge requirements, a critical component of designing safe, accessible buildings. These designated spaces protect occupants, especially those with mobility challenges, during emergencies while ensuring compliance with life safety codes. An area of refuge is a protected location where occupants can safely wait for assistance during an evacuation. Depending on whether a building is sprinklered, stairway size and configuration requirements may vary to meet safety standards. Every area of refuge must comply with the NFPA 101 Life Safety Code. This includes proper headroom, level walking surfaces, reliable egress routes, and full accessibility compliance. Just as important are two-way communication systems. BEC Integrated Solutions specializes in connecting occupants directly to fire command centers or approved monitoring stations. In sprinkler buildings, an entire floor can serve as an area of refuge if certain conditions are met. Each elevator landing must include two-way communication systems with both audible and visual signals, and accessible rooms must be separated by smoke-resistant partitions. BEC Integrated Solutions ensures these systems meet both code requirements and real-world usability. In non-sprinkler buildings, requirements are more stringent. Areas of refuge must connect directly to a public way, with access provided by level floors or ramps, not stairs. Stairways must be wider, typically at least 48 inches, and elevators must be approved for firefighter operation. BEC Integrated Solutions delivers compliant solutions for these more demanding environments. Clear, illuminated signage with accessibility symbols is required for every area of refuge. Directional signage helps guide occupants, while tactile signage supports accessibility needs. BEC Integrated Solutions provides integrated signage and communication systems designed for both compliance and ease of use. Refuge areas must include wheelchair spaces measuring 30 by 48 inches for every 200 occupants. When stairways serve as areas of refuge, additional width may be required to maintain safe egress. BEC Integrated Solutions works with building teams to design spaces that meet these critical requirements. In non-sprinkler buildings, areas of refuge must also be separated by fire-rated barriers, typically rated for 1 hour or more. Doors must be self-closing or automatic closing and provide smoke resistance. BEC Integrated Solutions ensures communication systems integrate seamlessly with these fire protection features. Whether a building is sprinklered or not, one requirement remains constant: the need for reliable two-way communication systems. At BEC Integrated Solutions, we provide compliant technology, signage, and accessibility solutions to ensure every area of refuge is safe, functional, and aligned with applicable codes. It's important to note that life safety requirements can vary by jurisdiction. Always consult with the appropriate authority having jurisdiction, local code officials, or design professionals to confirm compliance with all applicable requirements in your area.